Aloha, I'm Liko Puha, and I'm going to give a little insight on the mele I wrote for Keoki Kahumoku for the Kahumoku ʻOhana ukulele and sake workshop held in Pāhala Kaʻū, Hawaiʻi Island in 2006. The mele entitled Noho I Pāhala was originally intended to be a mele about the Kaʻū area, but after a short visit to Pāhala, decided to really focus on what the workshop was all about. So the words came to me the day of the workshop. Noho I Pāhala I Kalaʻi o Mauna Loa. There in Pāhala, in the tranquility of Mauna Loa, he hale kipa na ke ala me ke onauna. He hale kipa meaning a place of hospitality. Pāhala in that sense. The location, the Pāhala Plantation, and also the event itself. So there's 3 levels of kauna. He hale kipa na ke ala me ke onauna. So that of the scented and inviting, the area, the house, the group. Onauna ka Mele. Onauna meaning perfumed by the Mele. Kupaua ka pikake. Kupaua is a Hawaiian word meaning intense. I know if you smell pikake before, you can tell that you know there's some pikake around. So intense. So with that mana'o, this place is scented by these fragrances, not only naturally, but through the spirit and the inviting of the place. Also, Mele and Pikake are the names of the streets that intersect right here at the Pāhala Plantation. I wanted to add a line about what we were doing here, celebrating ukulele and kiko alu and singing and chanting. Kani kaleo nahe nahe o na manu refers to that resounding in the voices of the melodious birds, melodious voice of the birds. Which means if you listen and sit quietly, you can hear the birds. And also refers to the voices of the people in the house and together, and also the music. So, kahu'i no me ke aloha e, I wanted to put in a reference to Keoki's last name, Kahumoku, and came up with kahu'i no me ke aloha e, meaning that Pāhala is nurtured, the community surrounding Pāhala, the plantation here is nurtured, and also the people that are part of the workshop. We nurture each other, not just Kumu to Haumana, but Haumana to Kumu, us with nature. With that mana'o, with everything being nurtured, iole na makamaka. Makamaka meaning a friend on which you give and receive freely. So while we might not have met each other previously, by the end of our time together and being in this place, in Pāhala, being a plantation house, we became makamaka, good friends. So that those relationships live, we proclaim iola ina makamaka. Mahalo.